Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can repair this broken primer button for the Wacker Snipper. Now you can see this button here is kind of broken. If it is broken, then we will not be able to prime or pump the petrol into the engine, so we need to replace it. Now here is a replacement part that you can purchase from a local hardware store. They are very cheap, only a few dollars. Getting it before you replace it, and this will allow you to get your Wacker Snipper working again. Now at the moment there is a petrol tank in the way, so we need to remove this tank first before we can get to that prime button. Now there are two screws that we need to remove so that we can remove the tank, one at the top and one at the bottom. Once we have done that, we'll be able to remove the petrol tank. Okay, the screw on the tank is very hard to remove, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to remove the four screws here on the cap, and then we just take that one out. Okay, so once you have removed all the screws, you should be able to remove the primer button out, and we can now replace it. You can see this is broken, so it needs to be replaced so that it can prime pump the petrol into the engine. Okay, so this is the old one. We're just going to remove that, and then just going to replace a new one and tuck it underneath, and we're just going to put this one back in. Okay, once it's finished, you can then try to prime or pump the petrol up. So once you have repaired this one and you give enough prime, you should see the petrols goes in here, as you can see right here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.